Hey, I don't know if y'all know this or not. I didn't know, just found out, so I'm trying to share the news that you can get little tiny seeds from your petunias. Now, this is August 11th, I think, or 12th. And my petunias are starting die back. So I come out here to cut off the dead stuff so that the ones that are trying to come back to life can. And I start seeing all these little, let me find one, seed pods. That one's not dry enough. If you get them really dried up, well, let's try this one. See all those little tiny black spots? They're actually petunia seeds. So I've spread some across my soil because we don't get cold here that early. I'm trying to have a second round of petunias because these purple petunias were so gorgeous. But I'm trying to have a second round of them for the fall. And I am saving, I have a little bag and I already marked it for my purple petunias, and I'm putting all these in here so I can go along this evening and pop all the seeds out. I've done also the same thing with my zinnias because I'm loving my zinnias. They've been the easiest, most bountiful plant. So anyway, that's my tip for today. See you on the next one. Bye.